Hey everybody, so we're here at a local lake this afternoon. We got a bunch of FFA high school kids coming out here to fish with us. Stay tuned.
Holy crap! Hey, what'd I tell you?
I didn't put a worm on it.
You didn't put a worm on it?
No.
Were you moving it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why. I tell you, you gotta move it. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yo, we got a big one!
Wait here, I got a phone. Katie, smile.
That's really awesome.
Yes. Look at my back.
Can you get it off the hook, or do you need me to do it?
Hey!
Don't get stabbed.
You got the big one!
Yeah, she freaking brought that in. Look at that kid over there.
Oh yeah, where? Look at that.
That's a big one. Good Lord.
All right, hold him up.
Keep him in the water. Big one.
Jay, hold him up.
That's the button.
Hey, hold him like this.
Hey, I'll bring him over to you.
All right.
That kid's crazy.
He's got a nice bass.
I know, I see it. He better fish him in the knee.
Dude, Jesse, look at his big ass. Oh, dang.
That's a nice one.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. It's a circle hook, so you got to pull the. Well, no, it's a bass hook. It looked like a circle hook from over there. It's just hard. They're just tough. Their mouths are tough. Get it back out the way it went in.
Thank you.
There we go. All right, that's a nice fish.
Good fish. You get a picture taken of that one.
All right, awesome.
Thank you.
Okay, well, that picnic table's covered with worms if you need some.
I know, I was like, bought some worms, but I had enough worms, and I put them down there, and I was like, oh.
Cammy, you not getting no more bites?
It keeps taking the bait.
Oh, yeah, you got to get them. What you rigging up?
Fishy.
Oh, yeah. All righty. Yeah, so it's hard to get it to stick. Yeah, your knife's right down there next to that bucket.
Little baby fish. Goodness gracious.
That is a good bluegill.
Really?
Yeah, for bluegills, that's a good one.
Should I take a picture of that one too?
Sure.
Are they spiky?
Those are the spikes. So yeah, if you're going to take him off the hook, you want to hold those down. You want to hold these two guys down.
Okay.
These are spiky too, but that's how you want to take him off. Or you want me to?
I'm gonna try taking them off.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll
So
hold the line.
hold it.
So one way or the other, either your pinky start down, yep, and then
Just
put
like
your
that?
thumb right here. Okay, get your thumb in front of this one now.
Just like that.
Yep, just like that. Now you got a good grip on him. Now push the hook back in and pull the end down toward this way. So now put the bottom of the hook. Yeah, put this hand
Okay.
back that way.
Okay. Now pull it up like that. It's right in his eyeball. Yeah, you just take it out. I'll hold him.
Okay. There you go.
No.
It wasn't quite in his eyeball, but it was close.
Yeah. Here.
No, I got
Sorry.
it. Off he goes. Better get another worm.
Yeah.
That one's
had
wore
it.
out.
Yeah.
All righty.
Thank
There you go. Man.
Go see a professional. Yay.
Well, what happened? What are y'all using, worms or crickets?
Crickets, mine keeps going away.
Hey, let's see what you got. You got a big bluegill, looks like.
My worm may have eaten it, it feels like.
Oh, really?
It is little.
Oh.
My worm may have it in the headline.
There you go.
All right, Molly, I'm gonna laugh if it's the same one.
Little bitty thing. I think so.
Oh, that's a little crappie. That's the first crappie we've seen come out of here. Yep.
Fantastic.
There's a thing on my reel, right? There's a little piece of line sticking out right here. Hang on, let me.
Snag him when you throw it.
Yeah, and it's right here, and it's catching my line when I throw it, so I can't cast out but a little ways out.
Okay, reel it in now. Go ahead and just reel it. You can reel it. I'm gonna keep it tight. Okay, keep going. Fingers just get down in the sticks. All right, reel it on up.
I get caught on that line.
Oh, I'm in the lake.
You okay?
Oh yeah. All right, I don't see where it landed. Did it go a little ways?
That's my line.
Oh, I threw it across yours. All right, sorry.
That's okay.
Okay, so the water line's right there.
You found it, huh?
It's a little bit deeper, yeah. Might get a different bite. You're welcome.
Yeah.
All right, what y'all catching down here?
Just caught another bluegill.
All right.
The last one, but
If you don't get a bite there, wait about 4 or 5 seconds and then reel in 3 feet and then stop and let it sit there just a minute. And then, okay, let it sit right there. So what that does is it pulls the cricket up off the bottom a little bit and then he sinks back down, but you're also, the water's getting deeper as you go out, so it changes the water height. Maybe the fish are a little closer to the bank or something right now. It's hard to say. There's a lot of brim in here though. Cami, you were getting a little bite, looked like. Looks like it's tangled. There you go. Yeah, that probably is a good spot.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're not getting a bite over there yet? That's the spot. Molly's on a fish.
Was a different fishing pole.
The pink one. Oh, it's not a feminist. This is white pink.
Oh,
There he is. Nice bluegill.
be it.
Well, we fished all over that spot the other day. Me and him both did. And we didn't even see any bees.
Not a one.
But when he got over there with the weed eater, they did not like that.
Yeah, I was tearing it up. And I just told him, I said, Gary, if you see me run, you run too. And 10 minutes later, I was running up that hill, taking my shoes off and everything. I'm just glad they didn't get in my shirt. Yeah.
Boys across the lake missed another fish. I hear them. Look, Cami's on another one. That's a good one. Yeah. All right. You want me to unhook him or you gonna unhook him?
Okay, so you said,
All right, put the rod down.
okay, you said like this, right?
Yep. Thread him down with those fingers and hold those 2 fins with that one. Now just push the hook in and turn it down and push. There you go. And that should come out. It's gonna come out. You might come back up and push down a little bit more. You're all right. Okay. Here we go. So just got to get a good grip on him. Yeah, he's hooked pretty good. There we go.
Oh, okay.
That's him. Whew. All right. Need another cricket. I go get one.
Thank you.
It's all right. I had 2. I always get 2 or 3 because I know I'm about to drop one. They just run out of my fingers. All right. You don't have a bobber. Just see if you can throw that out and let it sit on the bottom a minute. See if you get a bite.
Gary, these fish are just too smart.
Yeah, they are. I'll get you a cricket. I caught a pretty good catfish here before and a pretty good bass. I mean, there weren't a 10-pound bass in here at one time. Oh, wow. But just cast it and just get your line like tight and then just sit there and wait. Okay. And then they'll grab it and they'll pull. There you go. All right, there you go. All right, fish removal. Here we go. So you're gonna put him like that. Gonna pinky down the big spines and you're gonna thumb 2 little ones and you're just gonna wind the hook out. There he goes. You're welcome. They got a catfish on here. Oh yeah.
There it is.
Got him on worms?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. That's some long whiskers on that channel cat, don't they?
Oh yeah. No, they ain't got teeth. I mean, it might make
It's kind of like sandpaper.
it's kind of sharpish.
He'll squeeze on your finger, but it ain't gonna hurt you.
Here, just grab it.
I don't know how to.
Just by the mouth.
All right, there you go. Is that your first time holding a catfish?
Yeah, I've held baby ones, like little itty bitty ones.
Oh, he's all right. Push him on back in the lake. All right, awesome. I got all that on video. If you love fishing, please subscribe.